TikTok is one of the most popular and fastest-growing social media platforms in the world, attracting millions of users who create and consume short-form videos every day. From trending dances and lip syncs to comedy skits, tutorials, and live streams, TikTok has become the go-to place for entertainment, creativity, and connecting with a global audience. But while most people know the platform for its content, fewer are familiar with one of its key features that powers engagement and creator support: TikTok Coins. TikTok Coins are a form of virtual currency that exists within the TikTok app. They're designed to help users support their favorite creators in real time, especially during live streams. When you purchase TikTok Coins, you can use them to send digital gifts to creators who are broadcasting live. These gifts range from simple emojis to flashy animations, and each gift has a coin value. When a creator receives gifts, TikTok converts them into diamonds, which the creator can later exchange for actual money. This system allows fans to financially support the people whose content they love and gives creators an incentive to go live and connect with their audience. Coins aren't just about tipping, they're also used in TikTok live matches, where two creators go head-to-head in a timed live competition. Viewers can send gifts to help their favorite win the match. The more coins you spend on your friend or favorite creator during the match, the more points they get, increasing their chances of winning. This creates a fun and competitive atmosphere that brings the community together and gives viewers a sense of direct participation in the outcome. It's also a great way for creators to boost their visibility, build stronger fan bases, and earn rewards while entertaining their followers. Now, when it comes to buying TikTok Coins, you have a couple of options. One is through the official TikTok app, but many users find that prices are higher there due to added fees and limited payment methods. That's why more and more people are turning to trusted third-party platforms like Trendizon.com. Trendizon.com is a reliable website where you can safely purchase TikTok Coins at more affordable rates. It often offers better deals than the app itself and accepts a wider range of payment methods, making it easier for users around the world to buy coins quickly and securely. Whether you're buying just a few coins for fun or stocking up to support your favorite creators regularly, Trendizon.com gives you flexibility, value, and peace of mind. In summary, TikTok is much more than a video sharing platform. It's a dynamic social space where users can engage with creators, join live events, and be part of a global trend-driven culture. TikTok Coins play a big role in this ecosystem by allowing users to show appreciation, participate in live interactions, and support content they care about. They're used for gifting, boosting friends in live matches, and making your presence known in live chats. And when you're ready to buy them, sites like Trendizon.com offer a fast, safe, and cost-effective way to get the coins you need. Whether you're new to TikTok or a regular user, understanding how coins work and where to get them gives you a big advantage when it comes to making the most of your experience on the platform.